Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. We already seen various types of input devices. Today we will see keyboard and mouse with their types in detail. So the content are keyboard, types of keyboard, mouse, types of mouse. So, we already discussed about keyboard. Keyboard is a basic input device that is used to enter data into a computer or any other electronics device. Most keyboards have between 80 to 110 keys, including typing keys like alphabets and special symbols, numeric keypad 0 to 9, function keys F1 to F12, control keys like shift button, tab, alter key and many more. Now, discuss about various types of keyboard. The most commonly used keyboard is QWERTY keyboard. Look like this. It is named after the first 6 letters of the top row of the button here. QWERTY, QWERTY keyboard. The arrangement of characters on a QWERTY keyboard was designed in 1868 by Christopher Sholes, which is also the inventor of typewriter. Okay. Next type is AZERTY keyboard. Again, the name is done by first 6 keys AZERTY, AZERTY. It is considered the standard French keyboard. It is developed in France as an alternative layout to the QWERTY layout. It gives emphasis on accent. Clear? And the next one is Dvorak keyboard. This type of keyboard layout was developed to increase the typing speed by reducing the finger movement while typing. Okay. It has been estimated that in an average 8-hour day, a typist's hands travel 16 miles on a QWERTY keyboard, but only 1 mile on a Dvorak keyboard. That's why whenever typing is needed, then this type of keyboard is preferable. I think types of keyboard is very clear to you. Now, the second most and widely used input device is mouse. As I already discussed that a computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls a cursor in a graphical user interface environment. It looks like this and can move and select text, icons, files and folders on your computer. Uses of mouse can be move the cursor like this, as I am doing throughout the screen, open or execute any file or program with the help of left click or right click, select any item on a computer, drag and drop files and folders from one place to another, hover and scrolling. Okay. Now discuss about types of mouse. The first one is mechanical mouse. It contains a metal or rubber ball on its underside here. When the ball is rolled in any direction, sensors inside the mouse detect the motion and move the on-screen mouse pointer accordingly. Okay? But the problem is that a rubber ball can be dusty when using a while. So it requires cleaning. The most common and widely used nowadays is optical mouse. An optical mouse is an advanced computer pointing device that uses a light emitting diode, that is LED, an optical sensor and digital signal processing in place of traditional mouse ball. Okay. Its performance is affected by the surface on which it is operated. That's why generally plain non-glossy mouse mat should be used for best result. But nowadays an optical mouse can be used without that mat. Next one is wireless mouse. A mouse that connects to the computer without a cord. So how it is possible? It is possible due to wireless technology such as IRDA, that is infrared or radio waves like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to control the movement of the cursor. Here you see the extra device that should be connected to the computer, and then this mouse can work fine. It is used to improve the experience of using a mouse. It uses batteries for its power supply. I think now it's very clear about the types of mouse. So that's all for today. Today we learned keyboard and their types as well as mouse and their types. In the next class, we will see monitor and printers with their types in detail. Thank you so much.